Hey friends, did you know that your eyelids have tiny built-in oil factories? These hard-working meibomian glands keep your eyes moist and comfortable all day long. But when they get clogged, things can get very uncomfortable fast. Have you ever woken up with gritty or irritated eyes? Or have you noticed a small bump on your eyelid that just won't go away? That could be a Chalazion, an annoying but common eyelid issue that's often confused with a stye. The good news though, you don't have to suffer through it. Today I'm going to dive into the world of eyelid health, breaking down what causes these bumps and how to treat them, and most importantly, how to prevent them in the first place. So if you're ready, let's get started. So have you ever wondered what's really going on behind your eyelids? Inside each one, there are tiny meibomian glands that work like miniature oil factories. These glands produce an essential oily layer for your tear film, preventing your tears from evaporating too quickly. But sometimes these oil factories hit a snag. When their openings get blocked, the oil thickens and builds up, leading to inflammation and swelling. This can result in a Chalazion, a slow-growing bump that forms when clogged glands become irritated. Now, why does this happen? Well, there's a few key reasons for this. Number one is poor eyelid hygiene. Not removing makeup or frequently rubbing your eyes can contribute to clogged glands. Also, screen time overload. Blinking less when staring at screens slows down oil flow, increasing the chance of blockages. Diet is also a major factor, and a lack of omega-3 fatty acids can lead to thicker, sluggish oil production. And finally, skin conditions like rosacea or dermatitis can make meibomian glands more prone to clogging. So what's the best way to prevent this? Eyelid hygiene is key. Simple habits like washing your eyelids, taking screen breaks, and eating omega-3 rich foods can go a long way in keeping your eye's oil system running smoothly. Now that we know how these oil glands work, let's talk about what happens when they stop functioning properly. A Chalazion starts as a small, painless bump on the eyelid. At first, you might not even notice it, but over time it can grow larger and become more uncomfortable, sometimes even pressing against your eye and affecting vision. And here's how it differs from a stye. A Chalazion is a slow-growing bump caused by clogged glands, which is usually not a painful issue. A stye, however, is a red, swollen bump caused by a bacterial infection, which often is painful and tender. Most Chalazion resolve on their own within 4 to 6 weeks, but some can linger for months. That's why early treatment is so important. If you notice one forming, starting proper care right away can prevent it from growing and sticking around longer than necessary. If there's one super weapon against Chalazia, it's the warm compress. This simple treatment can help unblock clogged glands, reduce swelling, and speed up healing. And here's how to do it correctly. And I'm going to give you two options. Use warm water. The compress should be warm, not hot, because you don't want to burn your skin, so you need to test it on your wrist first. And you want to soak this washcloth and wring it out so it's damp, and then you want to hold it gently against your eyelids for about 10 minutes. Repeat this 3 to 4 times a day for the best results. And here's a pro tip. After applying the compress, whether it's a washcloth or with a mask, try doing a gentle eyelid massage. This can help encourage more drainage out of these oil glands. Just use clean fingers or a cotton swab to gently press along your eyelid, moving toward the lash line. Most people see an improvement in a few days, but for stubborn Chalazia, it may take a few weeks. If there's no improvement, then it's time to check in with your eye doctor for additional treatment options. So prevention is always better than treatment. Keep your meibomian glands healthy and prevent Chalazion from coming back. You want to try some simple habits to do this. Clean your eyelids daily. Use a gentle eyelid cleanser or baby shampoo to keep your eyelid margins free of debris. Take breaks from screens. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds to encourage natural blinking. And remember to remove makeup properly. Old makeup and bacteria can clog glands, so always remove eye makeup before bed. And finally, boost your diet. Eating foods rich in omega-3s like salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds can help maintain healthy oil flow. You also really want to avoid rubbing your eyes. If your eyes feel dry or itchy, use artificial tears instead of rubbing them. And here's an extra tip for contact lens wearers. Follow proper hygiene. Wash your hands before handling lenses and replace them as recommended. So while Chalazia may clear up on their own, some might need medical intervention. You should see an eye doctor if the bump keeps growing larger or really becomes painful, if it's affecting your vision or doesn't improve after a few weeks of warm compresses, and if you experience recurring Chalazia, which could indicate an underlying condition. Treatment options at your doctor's office may include prescription anti-inflammatory drops or ointments and Chalanian drainage through a quick in-office procedure. Don't ignore persistent eyelid bumps. Your eye doctor can help get them under control before they cause further discomfort. So there you have it. Your meibomian glands might be tiny, but they play a huge role in keeping your eyes comfortable. By practicing good eyelid hygiene, using warm compresses, and making small lifestyle changes, you can keep these little oil factories running smoothly and prevent future Chalazia from forming. So the key takeaways for happy, healthy eyes include keeping your eyelids clean and free of debris, follow the warm compress routine at the first sign of trouble, eat omega-3 rich foods to support healthy oil production, and give your eyes a break from screen time and blinking less. Your eyes work hard for you every day, so show them the love they deserve. And if you found this video helpful, stick around. Our next video dives into the dry eye treatments that actually work. You don't want to miss that. Until next time, keep blinking and stay bright-eyed.